Hello everybody, once again welcome back to How Logical YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Fudget in your mobile phone, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to search for Fudget in your App Store or Play Store. Now right after that you will be able to see an app at top where it is distinguishable by its logos on screen, and it's developed by Danny Connell. And don't forget, you'll find the download option at right side. Just click on it and your download will begin automatically. So yeah, finally once your download gets complete, click to open and you will be able to access it. So basically this is how you can download Fudget in your mobile phone, and if you still encounter any issue during the download process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.